Ladies and gentlemen, this is an article that came out January 29th, 2019. Amber Guyger has made another court appearance. This came out in CBSLocal.com, hearing for former Dallas officer who killed man in his own apartment. So she finally came from under her rock to make a court appearance yesterday. And let's go ahead and listen to this video. Oops, start it all over.
Guyger makes an appearance in Dallas County Court.
She is the fired Dallas police officer charged with the murder of Botham Shem. CBS 11's Jennifer Lindgren is live at the courthouse with the steps taken today. Jen.
Russ, this is what's called an announcement setting. It is a meeting between the judge, the defense attorneys, and the prosecutors behind closed doors to discuss the case ahead of the trial. Amber Guyger did not necessarily have to answer any questions this morning, but she did have to be here. Flanked by her attorneys, Guyger arrived at court just before 9 a.m. Her defense team and Dallas County prosecutors met in the judge's chambers. As they prepare for trial, we've learned this morning that prosecutors have issued a subpoena for all of Guyger's training records from the police academy, her field training, and her tenure as a Dallas police officer. Guyger was fired from the police force last fall and charged with the murder of Botham Shem. She told investigators she mistakenly entered his apartment and shot him, thinking he was an intruder. A gag order is in place, which means that neither Guyger nor any of the attorneys involved are able to discuss this case. A date for that trial has not yet been set. Live in Dallas, Jennifer Lindgren, CBS.
All right. So you heard the video where she had to make that court appearance. All right. So this goes over a lot of what was said in the video. And we know she also made a court appearance on January 8th. And this is when the judge put a gag order preventing, the attorneys from speaking about the case. So they are saying that the case will probably move forward sometime later on this year. And I guess we can expect to see Guyger a little more than we have in the past because we know they're still protecting her and shielding her from the public and the media and under any scrutiny that she really truly deserves. And to this day, ladies and gentlemen, they still did not release her toxicology report or Botham Shem John's autopsy report, which I'm telling you, she shot him at close range. I've been saying that all along, and I still believe that. I think she has lied from the start to the finish of her story, and they know this. That's why they're keeping this under wraps. How do you explain when she claims she shot him in the dark across the room and him actually being shot at close range? And when we had Bonnie on, she said she also had a dog. So if you would have went to your apartment door, your dog would have made some kind of noise, not unless he was dead. The dog should have barked or made some kind of noise at the door. Like most dogs, they're excited when you come home. So it's too many indicators that should have told her she was at the wrong apartment long before she got in front of his door, So we shall see, ladies and gentlemen. But they are preparing to get this woman completely out of this whole thing. But please tell me what you think, ladies and gentlemen. And don't be surprised if sometime this spring, they will be demanding a change in venue of this case, which I don't think they should be allowed to do. He was not killed in another county. He was killed right there in Dallas, and that's where the trial should be. But please tell me what you think, ladies and gentlemen. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.